Okay.
When he set his trusses, this is your bearing point right here on your trusses. This wall right here should have been right here under this lateral, right there, okay? So he missed his bearing point for 6.5 inches. So that means that side of the house is probably 6.5 inches shorter than what it should be. Everything on that side over there.
Okay.
All right. And the only thing I'm hoping the inspector do, I think that's why he did that gusset up there.
Hey, we need a whole lot more 2x4. Bring a couple 2x6s too.
But the inspector, I know what he's gonna tell us, Keith. He's not gonna say, yes, you know, fix it. He's gonna say, get an engineer to approve it. These guys won't take responsibility for anything. That's every county.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
all right.
Do you have an engineer, or I've got one in Winchester that can do it, or do they have one down here?
So, what do you mean get an engineer? What
Okay,
do
honey,
they-
you're
We're supposed to go 11 feet back into this floor. This opening
Yeah,
is supposed to be 11 feet back there
yeah,
to get our head height underneath this truss.
yeah.
This won't pass code the way he's got it set up.
All right.
And the blueprint shows, the LD showed it on the blueprint, how it's supposed to be built.
Yeah.
And he didn't follow the instructions.
Okay.
In his contract, he said, the yard will be cleaned up at all times. There's not debris that you can fall over and anybody get hurt. And you can take your documented proof of that.
Okay.
But Keith, it also says in his contract, you have to go to arbitration before you go to court. Now, I don't know if that's in stone. I was saying, okay, I never have, you know. About the way he did it is about the only way you can do it. If you got any suggestions how I can get it more watertight? You know? That little bit of tieback paper, but that ain't gonna stick.
Yeah.
I mean, that ain't gonna do nothing.
And usually you run some kind of flashing around
Well,
it.
I was thinking about flashing.
But that's
Talk
still,
behind the flashing, flashing. Let me ask you something. I know this thing probably isn't about it. But the way he put these nails in, that guy you can use it on him. You need to power gun. See how he's going to face the side. That got anything to do with the thing? I don't know why he used the nail gun to do that. If I talked to the manufacturer, he says, not really. He did the corners okay. The way I normally do it, I run this over the corner, and I run that to the corner, and I put 5/4 board here. And you call it.
to tap everything, connect everything together.
He said, this is okay. You can do it this way. I just never done it that way.
So he stopped it right there at the,
Yeah.
put the trim up first.
Yeah, and I've got some cuts in the back. He comes from 0 to almost a half inch by the time he gets to the bottom. So I'm just gonna cut a little piece, put it in, off behind it the best I can. I just never run it this way. And then he power nailed all this. I mean, just ran and looked at all these nails. And all this has to be, make sure the nails are in. It's gotta be puttied and sanded and painted. I don't think it's actually code, but it is. It's just to install it.
The motto is normally the inspector that you'll have, and of course he's in therapy this morning, therapy, so that's why I'm out here.
Before I close anything in, I'll have this in for you.
You scared it down to?
Hey, Pat? Well, now this runs out to here. What he did, this beam has a flat plate right here, he got bolted. So he had to cut it out, get these bolts back behind it, and see what he did. And give me a look at it. See, here's what I was talking. Usually I'll put something right there. That way you can nail these two. But you might not be done, that's your call. That's the way I normally do it. But you can see what it did. You had to get them bolts in there. Why you just didn't cut a little on the back of it? notch a little bit of it.
Yeah, this is, well, my concern is basically the joists are nailed to the band board, basically resting on that, and not resting on the top plate. So basically, this is just nailed into that. So there's nothing taking the load and putting it back on the beam like it's designed to.
How would you do it though?
That's a good question. On top of this steel beam, and this is basically a filler and the beam to attach
Flex plate?
I think that's a beam. It's running across.
There's a steel beam that
Yes,
goes all
it's
the
a
way
steel beam.
across.
Yeah.
You really can't tell from the outside.
Yeah, it is a steel. I remember when they were putting in a steel beam, so it's coming all the way across here.
Yeah, it looks like, yeah, he was right, it looks like, John. I mean, we can get up here and look at it. He's connected to these columns, that's why he did his column. He did better up there when he ran. No, you got it, I'm sorry. You got it.
into the foundation. Should be a bolt right here. And it tied in over there.
And you're picking up your bearing on your columns. I'd like to put something between it just to catch the drywall, but it's not a bearing thing.
Yeah. Just with all the wind brace and stuff now and everything, and just
Well, we're rushing to the garage.
everything tied together. You're gonna have to drop a nailer down there anyway or something, right?
I was going to,
To span your,
just to have the sheet rock. What do you think as far as trying to pick up bearing or something?
no, just tie it all together.
I can strap it. I mean,
Maybe, yeah,
I can put a metal strap on it, kind of missing the batting. There's really no way.
that's about the only thing that you could
Yeah,
do.
it really is. Unless I box it out, and you're not really,
Well, you
it's not
know-
serving a purpose.
You know, looking at it now, you're gonna have to,
Oh, it's sticking out.
yeah.
Both of these are sticking out past the wall. See, he's got the same thing over there. That needs to be strapped
Yeah, tied together.
on. Here, both of them are sticking in the wall. But you can put a pad around it. It's not gonna be what you, it'll help,
Yeah,
but it's not gonna contact the two ends.
Make that go tie it together.
Right.
the only way you do it is, like you said, strap.
Same as there.
Didn't notice that before. Oh, okay, they notched out for the,
What's that?
they notched out for the bolts through the foundation.
They should have put the green putty up, but that's what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Battery, you good the way it's got it. Can you run it loose for your joint hanger?
Yeah, but the only problem is that the hanger isn't designed for that, to transfer the load that way.
Well, you're safe because you got 5 nails here.
You got 5 nails going into nothing though.
Your band,
That's not going into the band.
you're 2 or 12 here.
On that side you are, right? But that's where you cut it short and put the filler in there.
Yeah, this is the filler. He's got it over here. Of course, he's got it on all these.
Yeah,
So anywhere you put this filler, yeah, you're right. But doesn't that give you the bearing, what you need here, as long as you bottom the top.
There's nothing holding that fill around.
Yeah. I mean, this ain't gonna move unless it moves over there. Got it screwed. No, it's not screwed. He's got a toenail, but the toenail ain't gonna do no good. I mean, it don't do anything for you. I just noticed that.
Block, I guess he's got the block going up to the beam. Support on the beam flange.
See here, what that is.
Yeah, he's trying to he's trying to header it off.
You got no bearing over here though.
Yeah.
He's got nowhere to hang this.
All it is resting on the flange of the beam. And of course, that's not improved, yeah.
Only thing I can do is pad the inside of that beam out. Yeah, that's what he's done. He just notched this into here.
Yeah, we put it on the lip, yeah. Use the flange to support.
Well, shit, I can't take this one out. He's got probably about an inch cut out right here. Is that weakness 212?
Yeah. What's your, the, manufacturers of the TGIs, a lot of times they have an engineer on board and they'll come out and take a look at situations that come up in the field. Now whether they'll, and usually it basically, it's like a busted,
What? TGI something?
but I don't know if they'll look at something like this or not and suggest, I'm just wondering if there's a hanger that you can, like a Simpson hanger that you can buy that's bolted and use that to bolt into the flange of the beam here.
What are you securing? Your 212 for the steel?
No, I mean, basically a different, instead of using the hanger for the wood attachment, if they have one, it basically you can attach it to the steel beam.
You have to be careful because you're not shooting the outside. I'll find out where the guy's TGI's from.
Either that or go back to the structural engineer on the plans
Yeah.
and have him design something.
I'm not worried about this right here. Are you concerned about the way he did that?
Yeah, I'm concerned about
Okay.
all three of them.
What about the plywood? What about the plywood in the side of the TGIs? You know what I'm talking about, where he's got the joist, he's got the nails.
Going into the plywood, then into the,
Well, he's got it nailed here, but he has nothing here.
you make a stiffener in.
Right. See, I always put like 2x4s here.
We'll have to go back and take a look at the TGI drawings.
If I've got them.
Okay.
The drawings are hard to find. I think this builder took everything with him. But I'll see what I can find for you before we get any kind of problems.
But like what you said, a lot of times when typical, we have the bearing coming down, they, yeah, they're blocking